Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm trying to make petha dessert or winter melon, and also known as ashgard vegetable. It's between fruit and vegetable. It looks like this. It's green from outside and very white inside. So I'm trying to make this dessert. It's a very famous dessert from Agra, India, and also famous in Pakistan. Also one of my favorite dessert to make. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So this is our ashgard vegetable or fruit and also called winter melon, and we call it petha. So I'm gonna cut for this recipe. I'm gonna cut the pieces of this. So I'm gonna remove the seed from the middle. Just like this. I'm gonna remove the skin. So we're gonna cut into small squares, just like this. So a square is cut. Now we're gonna poke with the fork, just like this, from all around the melon. So we're gonna do all of them like this. So I poked all the pieces with the fork. Reason of poking them because when we are cooking in the syrup, so all the sweetness goes inside. And then now the next step, I have a 2 liters of water. I'm gonna add limestone, which is called chuna, like for the pan people use it. So about 1 tablespoon of limestone gonna add to the water. Gonna mix everything nice, and we're gonna add our pieces of ashgard in the water. I'm gonna leave it for at least 12 hours to soak in the water, and we're gonna come back after 12 hours. So it's been 12 hours. We soak our petha pieces into limestone water. So now it's time to strain them. Strain the petha. So we're gonna wash our petha thoroughly. Each piece rub nicely. Take out all the limestone water. So now we're gonna boil our petha pieces. So water is boiling, so I'm gonna add petha pieces in there. We're gonna boil about 20 to 25 minutes on high flame. So our petha is boiling for 25 minutes. So I'm going to remove from the water So now we're gonna add 3 cups of water for the syrup and 4.5 cups of sugar. Gonna make a syrup. Once it becomes dissolve all the sugar, we're gonna add our petha pieces. So sugar is dissolved. I'm gonna add petha pieces into the sugar syrup. We're gonna cook it on a high heat until sugar syrup becomes a little one tar, or what you call a little thicker. So our petha nicely boiling in the sugar syrup. It's almost there. Just looking for a thicker texture of the syrup. It's coming along nice. Just keep stirring time to time. So our petha is nicely cooking. The syrup is becoming thicker and thicker. So it's almost there. You can see the petha pieces crystallizing. Now it's ready now, so I'm going to remove from the syrup. So I'm going to put on this little strainer so it get nicely dry. And you can save this syrup for your drink, maybe lemonade or something you want to make. You can save this syrup, nice and flavorful. So you guys can see our petha mithai is almost ready. So I'm gonna let it dry first, and then we're gonna do some presentation of this dessert. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, looked delicious. It was my first time making this dessert. I was a little scared to start this dessert. I saw a couple of recipes, so I said let's try this, and it came out very nice, looked great, and tastes delicious also. Please do try this recipe. Our petha mithai is very easy to make, but it takes longer time to do it. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone.